Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope all is well with everyone. And today we're gonna go check out a buddy's beautiful 2003 Cobra Terminator, and he's gonna put some wheel stickers on, wheel decals, whatever you wanna call them. So he's gonna go through the process of how he installs them, and we're all gonna learn a little something today. So let's go check it out. He's also got a 2010 SRT Jeep. He's got decals already on those wheels. Looks good. Looks really good. This is Mike's 03 Terminator Cobra. How many miles on it?
About
42,000 miles. Because it's an American car.
Yeah.
It is gorgeous. Look at this thing. 4-post lift. Beautiful garage. So he's going to go through how to set up the tire decals. Or where did you order them from?
Tirestickers.com.
Tirestickers.com. So he's going to go through the whole process. Like I said, when I pulled up, I'll show you the Jeep here quick again. 2010 SRT. Look at that. That looks so tough. Gorgeous. Tell me what you guys think. It is nice. This is his table full of supplies, the cleaner, everything. Gonna go through the process how to put it on. It looks fantastic. So yeah, tire removed. What are you spraying on there? Just a
tire cleaner from tirestickers.com.
Okay. Oh, that's supplied.
No, that was extra.
Oh, okay.
Scrub this really good, and I use 99% isopropyl alcohol.
Dries pretty quick, pretty immediate.
Yeah, you gotta rub it in.
Yeah.
Gotta do this about 3 to 4 times.
Oh, is that right?
Keep using a
Holy.
clean rag.
Okay.
This tire has a bunch of tire shine on it, so we gotta get it all off.
You know, any specific spot you put the
I always
the
line my
decals, or does it
tires
not
up
matter?
from the center here, and I
Okay.
go from this out here, so it's all uniform.
Okay.
On every wheel, looks the same.
And it just covers all these, you know, these dimples and bumps, no problem. Actual writing,
Yeah, goes
just
right
go right
over
over top,
top.
no problem.
Yeah.
So yeah, obviously they cut the decals stickers to size, so front tires a little bit smaller, rear decals a bit bigger.
So I just got a pair of flush cuts here,
Okay, just
and it's
cut
not
those
the
off
same
first.
as side cutters. These are flush.
Yeah, it looks like it. I think right to the bottom. Like I said, you probably could sand those off if you know if there's anything else too left. Barely anything left. He did a great job on his Jeep. That looks good. Really good. Beautiful SRT. I better get a picture of my girl too. There's the rears. Really cool. Now what are you doing?
So we're just taking a little bit of 99% isopropyl alcohol, just dabbing it on the rag and wiping the back of the letters to get all the grease off here from shipping and
Just
stuff.
for cleaning purposes, eh? Okay. Very thorough, it looks like.
Want them to
I guess if
stick.
you want them to stay, yeah, right? It's all prep.
So now you gotta
Now
put
some glue.
just a light coat of glue on every single letter.
And glue obviously is supplied, right? With the
Comes with the kit.
Okay.
Yeah. Just make sure you get it right to the edges and smear it around evenly.
and then what, you're just peeling off that plastic piece on top after?
After you let it set.
Yeah. Okay. What setting time?
About I think they recommend about, you gotta put hold pressure when you get it on the tire in place for about 30 seconds.
Okay.
And I think I just let them set till I'm done the whole tire.
Okay. And just by hand.
I'd go over that way a bit.
Oh, line them up with your spoke.
Yeah, it's gotta make sure it's kind of parallel on your tire in the same spot.
And once you apply it, like that's it, or can you move it a little
You
bit?
can move it, but you might have glue left over, but it does come off easy enough after. So you just gotta kind of work it down, every single letter. I go from kind of the center out. And once you get it on here, you just gotta hold pressure on there for about 30 seconds to a minute. So now we just do a finger gap there.
Okay.
So now I'll just glue this guy here. We'll put that one on.
Okay. Yeah, it's gonna look cool. Not as cool as this car looks, I'll tell you that. 4-post lift. It's got it made. So you just do a finger gap. You kind of follow the, you know,
Try to follow
that little
yeah.
rim there, okay. Once again, hold pressure and stick them down. So the end of that letter, you're lining up that spoke then, center of that spoke.
Yeah, and you
Okay.
can put these anywhere you want. It's
Yeah.
just how I line them up square. So it's proportional. Okay, another 30 seconds to a minute of pressure.
And you just put the, what are these? Nito 555 R2s, correct?
Yeah.
This tire? Brand spanking new sticky tire. Looks fantastic. 305 35 18.
Looks good.
The X maybe go down a little bit. That's probably good.
Beauty.
So I'm just gonna give it a quick clean with alcohol, and we're just gonna use the Avalon King ceramic coating that I bought over the last couple years.
Okay.
So you just gotta clean your rim really
Just do
good.
the wheel. What about the inside the well? No?
Oh, that's where I really want to get in there. I'm hoping dust doesn't stick as bad as what it does now on a black wheel.
So microfiber cloth?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Just to get off all the contaminants and some of the waxes that are on the wheel. So now we'll just clean the inside of the barrel with some alcohol. Turn that.
Yeah, super clean. Nice. What's that?
So this is a little Avalon
Okay.
Shield X.
Okay. Well, that is the actual, the coating now? The ceramic?
Yep.
Okay.
So then when you put it on, you're gonna see it. I don't know if you can see it on the camera, but it's just gonna rainbow. So you just basically put it on in a uniform way, let it
Okay.
sit for, I believe it's about 10 minutes, and just buff it off. It's that simple.
What type of cloth are you applying it with?
This is just the one that came with the
Okay.
kit.
Same thing on the whole, what do you call it, barrel?
Yeah,
Wheel
well,
well? I
on
don't
the
know.
inside, this is
Okay.
where all the dust likes to hang out. That's hard to clean.
Definitely.
I'm a little anal retentive when it comes to that stuff.
I agree with that. You definitely are. Oh, there is a piece of that on there.
You can
Okay.
just-
Oh, you can tell it's a bit faded.
By
That's
the
right.
color,
Yeah.
And there you go.
Okay.
And then when you have a little excess glue like here, you can just rub it out or sand it or use any type of tool and you can get it
Okay.
off. I just might use some more alcohol when I'm done. That'll wear off.
That looks good. Wow. Hey, where'd you get this? What is this again?
Carter's Customs. Just a side splitter.
It's a side splitter. That looks good. Buffing it out with what type of rag? Just another.
Comes in the kit.
Oh, okay.
Really soft to the touch.
But that's all. Yeah. That. Just rubbing it off. That's it.
You can see the shine difference already.
Yeah, that does shine. Wow. So the water will just kind of beat off, and you know that kind of thing.
Yeah, and then
Yeah.
the hope's just the dust doesn't stick as bad as what
Okay.
it does now on black.
Yeah, obviously a much bigger sticker.
Just tire size, yeah.
Yeah.
Again, on their
Rear.
website, you just put in your
You just-
size of tire
okay.
and they figure out what you need, and they give you a couple choices on what size you want. These are kind of the maximum size for this tire.
Yeah. And obviously any color you want, probably.
Yep.
Yeah.
White gets dirty quicker than yellow,
Yeah.
so.
So rear wheel, one complete. Just gotta take the plastic on the outside off. Ceramic coated, just waiting to let that set, and just gotta buff that off in about 10 minutes. So here's the final product. We'll pull it out of the garage in a bit here, but yeah, does not look good. Let me know what you think. Looks great. That looks good. I'm sure y'all heard that noise. It is amazing. Now I think I want to ceramic coat my wheels. I don't know if they've been done or not before, but the process didn't look too difficult. I think I might do that actually. Protect them a bit more and get that nice shine. I appreciate you guys watching, and if you like what you see, please like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.